Midwest Folding's UpperZone storage system makes storing and transporting your tables simple. The same caddy used to store your tables can now be used to transport the tables to and from the storage area. Easily load the Banquet table onto the UpperZone caddy. The built-in ramp and neoprene rubber-covered surfaces eliminate the chance of tables slipping off during transport and prevent damage. The loaded caddy can easily be picked up by any standard-size forklift and then taken from the banquet hall back to the storage area. The UpperZone storage system reduces setup costs, improves safety, and saves storage space. For more information on the UpperZone system, please contact Midwest Folding Products today.